In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use someone's referral code on Cash App and claim your bonus. A lot of people download the app but don't know where to enter the code, so let's go step by step. Once you've opened the app, go to the home screen and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. When you scroll down, you'll see the option that says Enter Referral Code. Tap on it, type in the code your friend gave you, and hit Submit. As soon as you do this, you'll see a confirmation that the code has been applied to your account. Now, here's the important part. Just entering the code isn't enough to unlock the bonus. You'll need to send at least $5 to another Cash App user within the first 14 days. That's what activates the reward. After you complete that step, the bonus will automatically be added to your Cash App balance. It usually shows up pretty fast, and once it does, you can spend it with your cash card, cash it out to your bank, or just leave it in your account. And that's all there is to it. Enter the referral code, send $5, and you'll get your bonus. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.